This video is going to be different than any video you've seen on YouTube about the Cybertruck. I'm an EV hater, but I'm about to see if I can be transformed. I've been seeing this all over town and I'm going to go see it now in person. Will this EV hater be converted? Will something new be happening? Let's look at this thing that you call beautiful or ugly. First off, I want to take you inside because everyone's seen the outside. Let's look inside where you're going to be driving if you buy this, what your family's going to do, or your girlfriend or your friends or whatever is the situation, your boyfriend. Look at this. This is premium material. This is amazing for Tesla. This is a new level. I've looked at Teslas for years, considered them because of the gas savings, but I'm just not a big EV person. And you can see the driver has powered seats. I had to go see this in person after hearing so much about it, and I'm just blown away by how much emotions I felt. Excitement, disruptive, a care for like what you need, and the attention to detail, the balance of it was just really stunning. Love this mirror. It's little, but you don't really need it a lot. It just looks really slick and modern. And of course you have this nice modern soft touch lights. Those go off when the doors are closed. You can turn them on by touching them. And of course you have this beautiful glass roof. And let's look at the steering wheel. I mean, it doesn't have the things on the column. Everything's on the steering wheel. Your blinkers, your high beams, washer fluid, all that stuff. But you'll adapt. It's pretty easy to touch it. And this gives you plenty of storage. Love the setup of this because it's very comfortable to grab your cup. And of course, unlike any other car company, it seems like in the world, they have a place for your phone. And let's not forget about this 18-inch, beautiful, stunning screen that's immersive and accessible. One thing I've always hated about Teslas is this huge one screen. Like, I'm really big into my BMWs that I've driven for 14 years, the heads-up display, all the displays, the buttons. And I've driven Teslas and just felt restricted. But on this screen, I feel like I can touch it. And of course, this beautiful materials here again, just showing you like just stunning, simple touches that are just amazing. And of course, Tesla encourages you to watch Netflix and YouTube when you're on autopilot. Autopilot's not here for Cybertruck yet, but it's coming. And one of the things that really kept me from going Tesla is the luxury features that it was missing. But now it has cooling seats, which is a huge, huge plus for me. I was super excited to see that because every other luxury car has that at this price range. So I always felt like I was getting less and spending more, but now I feel like I'm pretty much there. And the changing the radio was super simple. Everything about the software felt really easy and felt really comfortable. And I can't say that about BMW or Mercedes or any other car I've used. So I was really super impressed with this, and this blew me away how comfortable this was. I mean, it really felt nice to put my arm there. It just felt really, really good. And of course, I've already said, I love that you can put your phones there. Big, huge phone, small phone, whatever. Those are wireless charging as well if you like that. Look at how much headroom I have. I'm 6 feet. I'm a big guy. Plenty of headroom. Let's look at the vanity mirror. A lot of people are talking about this. It is a little small, but I personally don't use the vanity mirror much in my cars. Maybe the ladies will complain about this, but you do get the visor extender, and then you have a mirror there. And so it's pretty good. And I love the way they put their hazard lights right on the column here. Just very slick, perfect place for it, and accessible if you need to get to it. And so again, like, I just had to go see this and sit in it, and I was blown away by the way I felt when I sat in this vehicle. Like, I really felt like I owned it. Like, I was ready to like drive off with it. It felt that good to me. And so Tesla has converted me, I think, to an EV. I'm at least headed in that direction because I pre-ordered my Cybertruck today. Can't believe I'm saying that. Please don't tell anybody, because a lot of my friends and stuff will kill me dead. Hear that loud thunk on that door, which sounds so beautiful. The doors are super easy to get into. Love the doors. Love the back door does this 90-degree angle. Check this out. It's huge. Like, you can get some big stuff in there. And those seats lift up like any other truck does. which just gives you more storage in the back. And look how big this is. And again, the luxury feeling of the materials and how comfortable it is. And you get that second screen, and it's a touch screen in the back for your passengers. That just adds another level of luxury to me. That's just a really nice, classy touch. You can play games, watch videos, control your seats, do all kinds of stuff. You can even move the passenger seat up or back if you need more room. You're like stuck in the back. Just really, really attention to details. Look at the storage underneath. Like any other truck has this. That's why I love the mixture of the classic with the modern. You got plenty of storage in your doors. The material again is just feels so amazing. Let's climb in. I want to feel this for myself, and I want to show you guys what it's like for a big guy like me who's 6 feet to get in the back seat. This was the only thing that was a little clunky for me. You have to pull this thing to pull down the middle piece. Again, this is a foundation vehicle, so delivery vehicles probably won't be like this. They've probably worked all these kinks out. But you hear that loud clunk. Nice, again though, really comfortable, nice big cup holders for Stanley or Yeti or anything back there. Just very nice. The materials feel really good. And so again, I'm telling you, I'm fanboying like I'm crazy. Like look at that. I've got plenty of room, and I'm a big dude. Like think about, you know, someone who's skinnier or shorter or whatever. There's plenty of room. You could fit 3 of me back there easily. So I was really impressed. My feet felt really comfortable. The way they raised the seats up gave you plenty of room under it, so it made it feel even bigger. And yeah, and then just this beautiful setup. I mean, look at that screen. Just everything's balanced and just really thought through. That's what I was so impressed with while I was sitting there, from the back seat and from the front seat. And yeah, it's just amazing. I know I sound like a giddy little girl because I'm all excited about when I'm going to get this thing, and I can't wait to wrap it and see something cool. And of course, Tesla does the best charging ports. I've looked at so many different EVs, and they just like hide their charging ports and have these slick looks. And of course, this is what makes it a truck. The 72-inch bed, if you want to get technical, is 66-inch in length. Perfect size, huge. These lights are crazy. And of course, you have this automated shade cover that can, they say a 300-pound person can stand on it and it won't break. I don't know. I'm not going to test that out. And of course, when you put the shade down, you get your rear window shield. And look at these lights, just so bright. And so you can see through that rear window. But those lights are crazy, right? Most trucks have just a little light. You're not going to miss anything on that. And even the tail lights just look so modern to me. They look like they really thought about every little detail. And the bed liner is thick and premium feeling. Nice quality there. And there's tons of hooks and stuff. And there's also more storage underneath the bed as well. No spare tire though, which I thought was weird. But you can shut this thing and look at that. I mean, it has really grown on me. The look has really grown on me. And I love that everything is just so simple and thought about. There's plugs in the back there too, so you can plug things up. And it's just very well thought out. One thing that would be nice that Chevy does and some other trucks do is look at that. It's just so nice. It's smooth as it closes. The tailgate extends and has a step, so it's easier to climb up into, but you probably don't need to do that. Yeah, you hear that nice loud thunk, and look at that. And when that's closed, you're gonna get better range because it's not the air's not dragging in the bed, and it just looks slick too. I mean, the only downside to having it closed is you can't see out the rear, but you can always see the rear on the screen. Look at that thing, how sexy it is, those big rugged tires. You get this thing wrapped, it's going to be sick. And here's the view from the passenger side. So what I love about this is it's so balanced. The passenger has equal access to the screen as the driver does. And it's just very clean and so much foot. Like normally in some cars, the passenger doesn't get a lot of foot space. So much foot space here. And it doesn't take away from the back seat. It's just super clean. Love those big cup holders. Love the place for the phone. You can just see from this angle, the back seat is really well done, and really a lot of space. Really, you could fit three big adults back there comfortably. And I love that. And having the glass roof gives you just a feeling of not being like closed in. Let's go inside the passenger side. I want to show you guys this view from this side. Again, just tons of storage in the door for your passengers so they can put in their bottles or whatever they want to put over there. Just lots of place to stick stuff. Their seats are powered just like the driver's side. And again, just easy access if they want to watch a movie while you're driving. Once autopilot comes, you can both watch a movie or watch some videos. You can watch Zach's videos on the YouTube app. I'm just kidding. This thing is just sexy. Are you going to get one? What are you thinking? Are you going to pull the trigger? Are you on the fence? I'd love to hear from you in the comments, because this thing is just polarizing, disruptive. Look at those tires. They're just so crazy sexy. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you're a subscriber. If you're not, subscribe for free. Check us out. Become part of the Zacchus Nation. And I love seeing your beautiful faces. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Don't you